Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage user roles and permissions on Monday.com. So if you're administrator or owner for the account, then I'm going to show you how you can manage this. So to do that, click your account on the upper right hand side and then click in administration. On the left hand side, click on permissions, and here you'll find all the user roles and permissions right here. So you have admin, you have members, you have viewers, you have guests, and so forth, right? So for each, you can basically scroll down and just set what you want each role to basically do. So you have different privileges that you can set that each role can do. Obviously, for admin, you can set that up. For members, you can just set that up as well. For viewers and for guests, you can easily check what they can do and can't do. In order to do this though, you will need to go ahead and have the enterprise plan. So you need to first upgrade to enterprise plan to be able to manage this, right? And yeah, you can even create more roles if you want. So if you want to create a custom role, you'll also have that option on the left hand side where it says custom account roles, and you can click a new and create that role and just kind of specify what privileges and rights that role will have. Then you can start to assign these to users once you're gonna give them that role. And that's pretty much it, guys.